Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you very quickly how you can use your Google Chromebook camera to take a picture and then submit a document on Google Classroom. So let's get started. You're going to start by bringing your mouse all the way down to the bottom of your screen until this little menu pops up. And then you're going to click on the circle in the left-hand corner. You're going to click on the search bar, and then you're going to search the word camera. And you should be able to find this camera icon. It's the one that I use, and it's the one that should be preloaded on your Chromebook. So then I'm going to take my assignment, and I like to take pictures landscape. That doesn't mean that you have to. You obviously could take it portrait, but it seems like you can't get quite as close. So I suggest starting out landscape. And you'll notice that it's all rotated in the camera picture, but it will flip it again, so everything will look right. I know it says backwards, you rock. So what you want to do is make sure that you have really great light up above. You want to make sure you have really great light behind, and you want to hold it by the fringy edges, if there is such a thing, or somewhere that you'll be able to cut off of the picture that you submit. So then you're going to bring your face off to the side, and you're going to bring this as close as it can be while still showing the whole assignment. Now keep in mind, we will have some editing options soon. So I'm just going to hold it here. I'm going to click this white take photo button. Wait for the click. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on this little circle that is go to gallery so that I can preview the image that I just took. And the first thing that I want to do for this is I want to call it Math Lesson 18 or Math L18. And I want to then click on this little pencil icon because that's the editing option. And then I'm going to go to this like automatic editor. It's my favorite. You'll also notice that there's a really nice surprise shot of me because it grabs from the edges a little bit farther than what it shows in the preview. So I'm going to crop this. And cropping it is going to be awesome because you can pull out all of those edges that you don't want, but also the fringes and the picture of your finger, possibly. And then I'm going to use these little circles to direct where I want to crop. Once I have chosen the image that I want, I'm going to click done. And once this looks the way I want it to, and you have all of these editing options, including rotating it. So if it is a portrait and you took it as a landscape, you can obviously rotate that the way you want it to be. And then you're going to click exit. Now, once you exit and it has the name that you want, you can get out the camera option altogether. And then you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on the class you want to go to. You're going to click on classwork, and then you're going to find the week of the assignment that you want to submit or that is missing. So I am going to choose this week of 10/19. I'm going to click view assignment. I obviously have tons of things turned in here because I do a lot of videos on this math page, and I'm going to add or create. And then I'm going to click on file. I'm going to click on upload, or make sure upload is already highlighted, and then browse, that blue browse button. Now there are two places that you can find that image. The first one is under downloads, Math Lesson 18 right here. The other place that you're going to be able to find it is under images. And that's usually where I look. It's usually a smaller list. And then you'll find that Math L18 and you're going to click open. And this is going to upload that right to your Google Classroom. So notice that Math Lesson 18. Now it will allow me to preview all of these things I've turned in the past. And just to make sure that it's the one that I actually wanted to submit. And I suggest you always check this before clicking turn in. Once you turn in, it's saying, do you want to turn in all three of these? And obviously 2 of those were already uploaded. And then this is the one that I just added. I'm going to click turn in. And once you're done, you always have that option to unsubmit or make changes to whatever it is. So if you're like, oh, shoot, I forgot to do a problem or I did something wrong, you can unsubmit that and okay that. And then you can actually get rid of things that you didn't mean to submit by clicking that X. And you can add or create new files if you need more pictures, and then click turn in again. Now keep in mind, until you click turn in, it's going to show up as a missing assignment. So that is pretty important. Anyway, I hope that this was a really good tutorial on how to use that Chromebook camera and how to submit on Google Classrooms. Have an awesome day, everybody. No?